Want to trade only when the trend is clear and momentum kicks back in? This strategy filters noise and aims to ride real trend momentum. This is the AVQ Trend Direction Strategy. It uses 3 tools: 100 EMA, slope direction line, and AVQ trend bars. Here's how you trade it. Buy setup. Price must be above the 100 EMA. The slope direction line must cross above the 100 EMA and turn light blue, bullish slope. Price then pulls back toward the slope direction line, causing AVQ trend bars to temporarily turn red, a mini retracement. Enter buy. Once AVQ trend bars change back to blue, momentum resumes upward. Sell setup. Price must be below the 100 EMA. The slope direction line must cross below the 100 EMA and turn tomato, bearish slope. Price then pulls back toward the slope direction line, causing AVQ trend bars to temporarily turn blue. Enter sell once AVQ trend bars switch back to red. Focus only on strong trend pairs, not choppy ones. Use a 1.2 or better risk-reward ratio and risk only 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Want the indicator files and template for this system? Download them free at forexmt4indicators.com. Ride the trend. Trade with clarity.